Hi, we went today to the Good Shed Markets in Bornholm and we bought this little critter. Some onion in with it. I put some plain flour. I'm going to put an egg in it. It's nice woody veggie. I'm going to stir it all up. Maybe a little bit more flour. Now, I'm going to have this T-bone with mine, and my husband is going to have his favourite, which is a Mrs. Max pie. So his is ready. And so I think we better get going with the... So we turn on the hob, get that nice and hot, and then we put the fritters on and see how they're going to work. Coming together quite tight now. Celerac's not something I've cooked with before, so I'm interested to see how it goes. Make the fritters. Get it nice and hot and put them on. We might be back in a minute and we'll see how we're going. Okay, these guys are just about ready. I've been turning them over, squashing them down so that they spread out and cook evenly. So let's just take one off. Turn the rest off so we don't burn them. Let's just see how they taste. Yummy, really